Animals and birds. Look at these pictures. A dog, a rat, a duck, a sparrow, a hen, a cat, a donkey, a crow, a frog. These are pictures of birds and animals. They are mixed. So these questions below we have to solve using the help of these pictures. Which of these are animals? Point them out. So we can differentiate birds and animals by some points. Like first point is birds have wings, animals have no wings. Animals have 4 legs, birds have 2 legs. So by these differentiations we can differentiate birds and animals. So let's circle the animals with red color. Dog, correct. Rat, a cat, a donkey, and a frog. Right. Next question. Which of these are birds? Point them out. So we are going to circle the birds with green color. A duck, a sparrow, a hen, a crow. Right. We know the meanings of these animals and birds, right? A dog means kutta. A rat means chuha. Next, a duck means batak. A sparrow means ek chidiya. Hen means murgi. Next, a cat. Cat means billy. Donkey means gadha. Crow means kawa. And frog means mendak. Right. So we know the meanings of birds and animals. They have shown the pictures. Let's try this. Match the pictures with the words. They have shown some pictures and some words. We are going to connect words with the respective pictures. Cool. Sparrow will be connected to here sparrow picture. Horse is going to connect with horse picture. Swan is going to, we will connect to swan picture, and cat will be connecting to cat picture, and buffalo with buffalo picture. Next, they have asked us to write names of animals and birds. So you write the names of animals into this exercise and into comment box also. So let us know animals that you know and birds that you know into comment box. Alright. So I'm going to write some names here, like some water animals like crocodile, dolphin, and some jungle animals like lion, giraffe, and one space is remaining. So I'm going to write here rabbit. Cool. Next, birds: eagle, pigeon, peacock, parrot, and cuckoo. So I have written birds and animals. Children, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayansh looks forward to have you on board. Thank you. See you soon. Take care.